Diwali, the festival of lights. Diwali derived from the Sanskrit word Deepavali. Deepa means light, Avali means a row. Therefore, Diwali is row of lights. It is one of the biggest Hindu festivals, celebrated with pomp and splendor all over India and in many other parts of the world. Diwali celebrations can last up to 5 days. Each region of the country celebrates the triumph of good over evil in a uniquely regional way. Diwali begins with the first day known as Dhanteras or the worship of wealth. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on this day and there is a custom to purchase something precious. People clean and decorate their homes on this day. Naraka Chaturdashi. The second day is Naraka Chaturdashi or Choti Diwali. People wake up early and apply aromatic oils on them before taking a bath. This is said to remove all sins and impurities. They wear new clothes, offer puja and enjoy by lighting diyas. Lakshmi Puja. The third day is the main Diwali festival. Lakshmi Puja is performed on this day. Goddess Lakshmi is believed to enter homes and bless people with good fortune. Tiny oil diyas, candles and electric lights are placed around the house. Families exchange gifts and gather together to rejoice. Govardhan Puja or Padwa. The fourth day is Govardhan Puja or Padwa. It is the day when Lord Krishna defeated Indra by lifting the huge Govardhan mountain. People make a small hillock, usually of cow dung, symbolizing Govardhan and worship it. Bhai Dooj. The fifth and the last day is Bhai Dooj. On this day, sisters invite their brothers for a lavish meal and perform a tilak ceremony. Sisters pray for their brothers' long and happy life, while the brothers give gifts to their sisters. Celebrations include Diwali commemorates the time when the Lord Rama returned to his hometown Ayodhya after defeating the evil demon king of Lanka, Ravana. Lord Rama was the king of Ayodhya who had, by his father's orders, went away from his country to live in the forest for 14 years. But the people of Ayodhya loved their king very much and waited for years to meet with him again. And so, when news of Lord Rama's return came to them again, the people of Ayodhya, in the honor of their king and to celebrate his victory, lit up their houses with earthen lamps and decorated the entire city in the grandest manner. Year after year, this homecoming of Lord Rama is commemorated on Diwali with lights. These festivities continue every year at Diwali and are still celebrated today. Lighting a lamp. Lamps are lit for daily worship, rituals, and festivals. Symbolizes knowledge, as opposed to darkness or ignorance. Knowledge is lasting inner wealth. A lamp is lit to bow to knowledge as the greatest form of wealth. God is knowledge principle, the source of all knowledge. Thus, light is worshipped as the Lord Himself. Oil or ghee in lamp indicates our vasanas or negative tendencies. Wick, the ego. When lit by spiritual knowledge, the vasanas get slowly exhausted and the ego too finally perishes. Flame burns upwards. Similarly, acquiring knowledge takes us towards higher ideals. A single lamp can light hundreds of lamps. Similarly, a man of knowledge can share knowledge with others without diminishing his own knowledge.
ದೀಪವು ನಿನ್ನದಿ ಗಾಳಿಯು ನಿನ್ನದಿ ಆರದಿರಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ದೀಪವು ನಿನ್ನದಿ ಗಾಳಿಯು ನಿನ್ನದಿ ಆರದಿರಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಕಡಲು ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಹಡಗು ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಮುಳುಗದಿರಲಿ ಬದುಕು ದೀಪವು ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಗಾಳಿಯು ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಆರದಿರಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು
ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ದ್ವೇಷವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ
ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚ